This is a demonstration of our work on a Ford F-150. As you can see, it has a bump on the rear right side. Okay, let's get started on the truck bodywork. The primer is done. So, let's get ready for the painting job. Our team of experts works with the best quality materials in order to take good care of every detail, to protect the best interests of our customers, and making sure that the final result fulfill our customers' expectations. This is how we do it at PROFIX Auto Collision Center. Here it is. The final result. Oh, yeah. It looks just like new. And there it goes, another happy customer. Contact us to get your free estimate on any of our services. PROFIX Auto Collision Center contact, email, profixcentersa@gmail.com. Find us on Facebook and Instagram, at PROFIX Auto Collision Center.